Geometry Secrets: Unraveling Angle Relationships. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of geometry. Ever felt confused about how angles relate to each other? You're in the right place. Let's discover some shortcuts and strategies to understand angle relationships quickly and efficiently. Angles are all around us, from the corners of a book to the hands on a clock. Let's get familiar with some terms. Acute angle, less than 90 degrees. Right angle, exactly 90 degrees. Think of the corners of a book. Obtuse angle, between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Straight angle, exactly 180 degrees, like a straight line. When two lines intersect, they form pairs of angles. Let's explore these relationships. Complementary angles, two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Think, completing each other to make a right angle. Supplementary angles, two angles that total 180 degrees. They support each other to make a straight line. Vertical or opposite angles. Angles opposite each other when two lines intersect. They're always equal. When a line crosses through two parallel lines, special angle relationships emerge. Alternate interior angles. These are on opposite sides of the intersecting line but between the parallel lines. They are equal. Alternate exterior angles. Outside the parallel lines but on opposite sides of the intersecting line. They're also equal. Corresponding angles. They're in the same position relative to the intersecting line and one of the parallel lines. Guess what? They're equal too. 1. Use a protractor. Measure angles accurately. Over time, you'll start estimating angles without one. 2. Draw it out. When in doubt, sketch the problem. Visual aids can help clarify complex angle relationships. 3. Look for clues. Often, diagrams give hints. For example, small squares often indicate right angles. Angles may seem daunting, but with these shortcuts and strategies, you'll master angle relationships in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing world of angles. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.